The petitioner is further seeking a writ in the nature of mandamus directing respondents to consider the case of the petitioner on the basis of outsourcing policy for reappointment from the date when the junior were reappointed with all consequential benefits. Full stop. As per the version of the petitioner, she had initially joined service as assistant in the office of Municipal Corporation Rohtak, and she has been working there since then without any complaint against her from any quarter. That services of the petitioner had been terminated wide order dated 2 November 2016 by Joint Commissioner Municipal Corporation Rohtak without affording any opportunity of hearing to the petitioner or serving any prior notice to her that petitioner had been appointed in September 2012 under the outsourcing policy, and she has been serving the department since then. That petitioner got information from some reliable sources that some employees had been reappointed by the respondents by ignoring the present petitioner that vacancies for the post of assistant are available and services of petitioner are required by the respondents. That petitioner is fully eligible and competent for that post, having more than 5 years experience. The action of respondents in terminating the services of the petitioner by appointing other candidates on identical terms and conditions is against settled law. That in identical matter as Shiv and others versus State of Haryana and others, this court was pleased to allow the writ petition wide order dated 2 July 2013, and a direction was issued to respondents to reappoint the contractual employees in terms of outsourcing policy. Full stop. Stanza. Government for unnecessarily forcing the petitioners to approach this court. Full stop. When the respondents did not accede to the claim of the petitioner, she was compelled to file the present writ petition. Full stop. On notice, the respondents put in appearance. Full stop. Respondents number 2 and 3 filed joint written statement contesting the writ petition. Full stop. Inter alia, they have raised preliminary objections contending that petitioner was appointed as Sevadar and not assistant, with answering respondents, as a matter of fact, petitioner was an employee of New Hindustan Security Services, which is a manpower outsourcing agency, and there was no relationship of employer and employee between the answering respondents and the petitioner, therefore no cause of action arose in favor of the petitioner to maintain the present writ petition against the respondents, the writ petition is liable to be dismissed for non-joinder of necessary parties, inasmuch as petitioner has failed to implead her employer New Hindustan Security Services, that the answering respondents had never terminated the services of the petitioner, and it was only on the basis of report submitted by the land officer, Municipal Corporation, Rohtak, that the Joint Commissioner, Municipal Corporation, Rohtak, requested New Hindustan Security Services to terminate the services of the petitioner as her work was not satisfactory, the order, if any, terminating the services of the petitioner had been passed by that outsourcing agency, therefore no cause of action arose to the petitioner to file the present writ petition.